Hello guys, you're welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case if you're new here, I'm Zara Kashi. You're welcome to SASSY Girl Squad. So before we start, if your subscribe button down there is still red, please smash it for me. Subscribe and turn on post notification so you won't miss out any information in this channel. So I'll be doing DIY today. A DIY leave-in conditioner that will help your hair to grow. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, before we start, let me introduce all my ingredients. So the first one here is MSM powder. I have fennel seed. This one is hibiscus. I have black tea. Then this is Fenugreek. I also have aloe vera juice. I just made it now, so if you want to know how I made this, just tell me in the comment section so that I will show you guys how I made this. So guys, this is my Fenugreek that I have infused for 20 hours now. That's why it looks like this. Let me show you guys the dry one for you guys to see the difference. As you can see, it's very tiny and golden in color. So this one now looks like this because it have swollen up because of the cold water that I infused it with. So let me quickly infuse also my fennel seed, hibiscus and black tea, this time with hot water, so that the whole nutrients and the goodies will come out of it. And I will allow it to cool down before straining out the water. So guys, this is it. I'll now leave it to cool down, then I'll come back and strain it. Tea that I got from the fennel seed, hibiscus and black tea. So this is how it looks like, just like red wine, you see. So I'll now quickly infuse my fenugreek. Not infuse, I will strain out the water. I'll strain it now. Then I'll also add it here. You can use more of hibiscus, fennel seed or fenugreek depending on what you want for your hair. So I used more fenugreek because I want to coat my shading and also retain more length. So depending on what you want for your hair, you can use all of them interchangeably. Then now I'll have to add my aloe vera juice. I prefer using fresh aloe vera juice, or you can use store-bought aloe vera juice. As far as the range is close to the percentage of aloe vera, is okay. So I'll now add it here. Now it's time for me to add my MSM powder. So much love this for my hair, so this scoop, just like this, is enough, so not too much. Now I will now quickly give it a good stir. Mix everything. You can see the color, you can see everything, so juicy and nutritious. I even take this as tea, but I'm using it for my hair. See? So I will now show you guys how I use this for my hair. So let's get right into that. For this process, you're going to be needing a leave-in conditioner, any brand of your choice, a stimulant, any one of your choice. I use any one. I'm using amla oil. Then the DIY leave-in conditioner and scalp massage. So I'll start by losing my very cold bread to moisturize it. Let me start with this section. Just to make sure it's moisturize all of them thoroughly. So with this side, I'll go in with my cream conditioner. Just making sure that my hair absorbs the whole moisture. That's why I'm doing it like this. Then I'll now go into my leave-in conditioner. This is way too much. Just like this. This one is okay. I always like to concentrate more on my ends because that's the oldest part of my hair. So make sure you give it a good treatment. As you can see. Now, I have to seal the moisture with oil. This is my oil. So this side now is done. Let me get another part. Please don't wear white while using this because it can stain your white. Again with my oil. I always moisturize my hair every 3 days because my hair is starting to rust. So I always make sure that my hair gets all the moisture that it needs. And sometimes every I do spit with my leave-in, just spray it around without adding any leave-in conditioner or oil. So the 3 days I will give it a thorough moisturization. You can see the shine. how dry this bag is? But here is now very moisturized. It's now bouncy, but this side is still stiff. I'm done with the moisturizing process. Now I have to do scalp massage to activate blood circulation to my scalp. So let me know your thought about this DIY. Have you tried something like this before? And please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share it out to your friends and family. Now, anybody that you think that might like this content, just share it out, okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. I see you guys around. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be productive. Stay sassy and be peace. Love you guys.